day to each every one of you. Come over here, let's have some late lunch. I'm so hungry. Want some chocolate milkshake? You see that? You don't. Oga, it's pouring. I'm so hungry. Guys, this could be my day 6. Day 6, sorry. Day 13, day 14. Isn't it day 14? Hold on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, day 14 of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken. In observance of the coming Holy Week. So hungry. Come on, be the first one to buy. Be the first one to taste. Be the first one to buy. Open your mouth. This for you. He's smoking. So hungry. Want some more? Huh?